Okay, go ahead.
I had a little turtle. His name was Tiny Tim. I put him in the bathtub to see if he can swim. He drank a bottle of water. He ate a bottle of soap. Now my turtle's sick in bed with the bubble in the throat. Bubble, 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 bubble. Now! Pop!
Good job. Okay, sing another one.
Okay.
Sing hello, hello.
What's that mean?
The one we were just singing.
Okay.
Hello. Go ahead.
Hello, hello, and how are you? I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias, ¿Y usted? Okay.
Good job. Do grizzly bear.
Grizzly bear?
Mhm.
Okay,
Okay, get in your cave. Do it.
Yeah!
No, I'm doing the camera. Come on. Do it.
Okay. Oh, grizzly bear, sleeping in her cave. Be very quiet. Be very quiet. If you wake her, if you shake her, she'll be very roar! Okay, not quite. Go back in her cave. Oh, grizzly bear, sleeping in her cave. Please be very quiet. Please be very quiet. If you wake her, if you shake her, she'll be very...
Good job.
Another.
What's another one?
Lolly-chusa.
Okay, go ahead.
Lolly-chusa, I say shh, I say shh.
Quit moving.
¿Cómo estás?
Did you mess up?
Yeah.
Start over.
Okay. I'll do a different song.
Okay.
This sounded too hard.
Okay. How about Mommy, Daddy?
Yeah, down. Okay, put your hand up. Mommy, Daddy, brother, sister. Don't touch the baby. Mommy, Daddy, brother, sister. Don't touch the baby. Mama, are you seeing watching on TV on the camera?
I am. Keep doing your thing.
Okay. Mommy, Daddy, brother, sister. Don't touch the baby. Mommy, Daddy, brother,
Quit scooting closer.
sister. Don't touch the baby.
Scoot back.
Mommy, Daddy, right here.
Yeah.
Mommy, Daddy, brother, sister. Don't touch the baby. Mommy, Daddy, brother, sister. When you touch the baby. Mom, it's your turn.
Okay. Are you done with all your songs?
But it's your
You want
turn.
me to sing Elizabeth Has Jumping Feet?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, go over there. Go back over there so I can see it. Okay, show. Elizabeth has jumping feet, jumping feet, jumping feet. Elizabeth has jumping feet all day long.
Can somebody